Hello there. Today let's draw the backpack. So let's get started. First, let's draw a curve and a line down on both the sides. Now let's draw another line with soft edges. Now let's draw the pockets. For that, draw two lines and a line with soft curves and another one. Now two lines for the zip. Now let's draw another curve down here for the zip. Now let's draw a heart. Now let's draw the ears. Now shoulder straps. And then a loop. Now side pockets with a zip. Let's draw the seam here. Now let's draw the outline. And then erase the pencil traces and start the coloring. Okay buddies, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.